Either you want to relive with your childhood superheroes, or you want to shop till you drop. Either you want to splash in the water, or you want to win over your fares. Yas Island is the destination for your next vacation. Today, we will take you to the one-stop entertainment island of Abu Dhabi, the Yas Island. Watch this video till end, to know about all that is waiting for you at Yas Island, which you never want to miss. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more of our travel videos. Yas Island is you must visit when you are in United Arab Emirates. Whether you are staying in Abu Dhabi or in Dubai, Yas Island is maximum at an hour distance from you. Spreading across 2,500 hectares of area, the island has so many to offer you. At the heart of this island, you have the majestic Yas Mall. Housed to over 370 stores, Yas Mall is a shopping hotspot in Abu Dhabi. From premium clothing brands to exotic perfumes to sporting goods, the mall has everything you can imagine. If you are a motorsport lover, Yas Island offers you the longest F1 circuit in the world, the Yas Marina Circuit, that hosts Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. You can experience driving your dream cars here in this circuit. Your Yas Island experience is never complete without the high-speed roller coaster ride at Ferrari World. With almost 37 rides, the Ferrari World will book you for a whole day. Hit the Yas beach to enjoy the sun and sands. The white sandy beach with crystal clear water is best for outdoor activities and water sports. Enjoy a lazy boat ride and mouth-watering dining experience at Yas Marina. The whole area is notable for brimming with several restaurants and cafes. If you are an adventure sport lover, Yas Island won't disappoint you. Climb Abu Dhabi is there to satisfy your hunger for adventure. Climb has world's tallest climbing wall arena. And most interesting is the indoor skydiving. If you love splashing water, experience the thrill of amazing water slides and enjoy a day of sun with friends or family at Yas Water World. Some of the world's best water slides and drops makes it one of the world's best water parks. A whole day is sometimes not enough to get the full out of it. Last but not the least, you will have the Warner Brothers World. It's a celebration of some of the iconic cartoon shows of all time. Divided into 6 exclusive zones, Warner Brothers World prepares 6 different experiences for you. From Batman and Superman, to Tom and Jerry and Scooby-Doo, Warner Brothers will give you an extraordinary experience. These attractions can hold you for weeks at Yas Island. But where you are going to stay? Don't worry. The island offer you world best hotel chains. You have so many options. Crown Plaza, Doubletree by Hilton, W Abu Dhabi, Hilton, Radisson Blu, and the Warner Brothers Hotel. Wherever you stay, transportation is never a problem for you, as there are free shuttle bus which circles the whole island, having stops everywhere. So when you are at Abu Dhabi, Yas Island can be your dream place to stay, as it houses the best hotels, top restaurants, and world's renowned entertainment options. Let's give you some extras. If you are staying at Yas Island, these attractions are just minutes away from you. One of the world's leading Islamic architecture, Shah Zayed Mosque. The Presidential Palace of United Arab Emirates, the Qasr Al Watan. And Center of Art and Culture, the famous Louvre Museum. If you want to know more about all these attractions, subscribe to our channel. We have separate videos on each of these attractions.